I am so excited to be in this video today because I'm going to be testing out a brand new wig that I got from a brand new brand called AFIALOOK, and I'm so excited to try it. I have the package right here. We're going to open it up. We're going to see how the lace feels. We're going to see how it came in this DHL package. I'm just going to open it on up. Okay, so we're going to take it out of the DHL package, and already I can see it has a bow on it, so that's cute. So let's... Tell me that's not so cute. Oh my gosh, look at that. It comes with a bow on it, and then the bow has this tag on it. What? Okay, and the tag says, best love, the most beautiful, but the first sight. Okay, so I guess like love at first sight kind of a moment. Okay, so let's open it together. Let's see what's in the box. The packaging already when it's over, so let's see what's in the box. Okay, so just taking a look inside, we have this velvet pouch. Okay, and I'm assuming the wig is inside this velvet pouch. We're not gonna open that yet because there's more goodies inside. We also have this pouch in there. Okay, and then we're gonna open it, and we have a bunch of condition. Ooh, gave me a lot. Oh wow, okay, so I have a lot of wig conditioners in here. I told you guys in the beginning, I have high expectations. So, okay, let's see. Okay, all right, okay. So the hair comes and it has this piece of paper on the inside of the wig, and then it's in a hairnet, so that's cute. Let's take it out. Okay, boom, boom. Okay, boom, boom. Okay, so we have a nice curly wig in here. I'm gonna take this paper. The lace is not like a super dark color. I don't know, maybe I'll also get some of my friends or get another person whose skin color is very light, and I'll do a swatch test. Like I'll put a swatch on myself and I'll put a swatch on a person of lighter complexion, so you guys can see just how this lace blends into different skin tones. Okay, so if you're taking a look inside of the wig, we have this really cute elastic band moment in here. It's like a silk band, and what I like about this is you can choose whether or not you want to use it, and you can choose what how tight you want it to be. Because if you see in here, I can, you guys see that? It's almost like a bra strap. I can take this off and then just completely take off the elastic band if I don't want to wear it. But then if I decide, I want to wear my elastic band, you can just go back in there and then just snap that right back on. And this is actually the first time that I've ever seen that on a wig, where you could just snap the lace, the band on and off. I've seen the wigs before that have like this right here, and then you can make it looser or tighter, but I haven't seen that idea where you can just take the band on and off completely, so I super love that. I think that's so creative. So I'm gonna put the band back on. In the front of the wig, you have two wig combs right there on either side of the lace, and then you have a comb right here, right in the middle in the back. You also have these straps right here on the sides of the wig that you can adjust in here in the back. Let's take a look at how the hair is tied onto the lace. I'm really impressed actually with the way that the hairs are tied on. If you guys take a closer look, you guys see that? That's one thing I definitely look for, because the smaller the knots are, the more natural it looks when you put it on. Then also, if you guys can tell, the hairline isn't like insanely dense. You know what I mean? Like you have like your thinner part right here, then it gets more dense about like right in there. It gets more dense. So you'd be able to just pull these hairs back this way and then pluck it that way. And I feel like because the density of this wig is really good and how they did the hairline is really good, it wouldn't be too hard to go ahead and pluck out your hairline and have like a super natural hairline with this. Even when you come back into the back of the wig, the knots are a tiny bit bigger in the back of the wig as they normally are, but they're not an insane, like huge, like really big size. And as you guys can see, it's a curly wig. Okay, ooh. Okay, so running my fingers through the hair, I can tell the hair is super duper soft. So I love that. And I'm gonna pick out the curls a little bit to just give this wig a little bit more life. So you guys can see the curl pattern, which is super pretty, by the way. Pretty. And it's really airy, it's super light, it's super lightweight. That's another thing, this wig feels super lightweight on my head. It doesn't feel like insanely heavy. It's not insanely dense. You guys can see that? It's not insanely dense, so I'd be able to pluck that pretty easily. And then it's, where's my hairline? My hairline's like right here. and the wig is sitting right in front of where my hairline is. Okay, so the wig is really comfortable. As you guys can see, it had all those straps inside of this, so you can make it as tight or loose as you wanted to make it. And then you flip this back, and then you put the wig on, and the lace sitting in front of my hairline on both sides, so I wouldn't have any problem. And the reason why that's so important is because if you are into lace adhesive like Ghost Bond Bold Hold and you want to glue down your wig, that wig has to come in front of your hairline. You know what I'm saying? Like the wig, it can't be sitting back here, because where you gonna glue it? You know what I'm saying? Plus it just looks bald here. Like you would have to make sure that that wig is sitting on you right. So the fit of the wig is good, which is super important. The curls on the hair are super pretty. Of course, there are more different wigs that AFIALOOK is able to offer rather than just this curly one. But this curly one is gorgeous, as you guys can see. Definitely when I make the video of me styling it and seeing how it holds up with styling, if I pull my hands, oh, there is some shedding. If I just run my hands through the wig, just one time, that was the amount of hair that came out from just running my hands through. But then, you know, rule of thumb with any lace wig you wear, don't be sitting here pulling on it and being crazy for no reason. These lace wigs, no matter where you get them from, are super fragile, so, you know, just take care of them. This is probably one of the cutest little packages I've seen. I like how it has this note on it with the bow on the top, so the packaging is super cute. You can tell it was packaged with a lot of love and care.